Hey everyone, I'm Sant Kumar and welcome to this exciting journey into the world of AI in Photoshop, where creativity meets the power of artificial intelligence. If you've ever wished Photoshop could help you design faster, edit smarter, or even imagine new ideas for you, this is where it all happens. In this series, we'll explore all the amazing AI-powered tools inside Photoshop, like generative fill to create or replace anything in seconds, the object selection tool for instant subject detection, the remove tool that cleans up distractions automatically, harmonize for perfect lighting and color matching, and even the brand new generate image panel where you can create an entire scene just by typing a few words. Photoshop 2025 beta is smarter than ever, powered by Adobe Firefly AI. These tools aren't just effects, they understand your scene, your subject, and your creative intent. With AI, you can design faster, experiment more freely, and focus on what really matters, your imagination. This course is perfect for photographers, designers, digital artists, and beginners who want to use AI not just as a shortcut, but as a creative partner. No matter your level, you'll finish with the confidence to create stunning, professional visuals powered by AI. Let's dive in and unlock the full power of AI in Photoshop together. And let's begin creating magic.